Hello, I'm Sarah and I've just been rejected by all my children. Apparently they don't want to make muffins with me today, they're busy. As per the last video I did on how you can freeze peaches, I have been inundated with Blackboy peaches. You may have seen the big tub I had there. They've given me 3 times that amount again. So not only am I freezing, but I'm baking and freezing the baking. So I'm going to show you how to do a batch of Blackboy peach muffins. This is a good one for using lots of muffins because it also incorporates some of the peach puree into the mixture itself as a moisture element. So they are super duper yummy. So the first thing we want to do is do the peach puree. We want about 150 mils of puree. It is really hard to say how many peaches you'll need because it depends on the size of your peach. So just guess. I'm going to chop up 2 of these rather large peaches. Pop it in my little measuring jug, whiz it up, and I can always do more, and if I've got too much, the kids will drink it. Now you can take the skins off if you want to, but to me that's just an element of fussing that I'm not really too worried about. Right, so I'm going to whiz this down. Oh, look at the colour of that. That is gorgeous. So that was about 300 ml, so probably 1 large peach might do it. Not the end of the world, as I say. These are great for smoothies as well actually, because they make them go pink, and pink smoothies are cool. So we'll want 100 grams of butter that I'm just going to melt in the microwave. Okay, so we're going to put the peach puree into here, so I'll only need about half the amount that I made. Unfortunately for me, my chickens are molting, and when my chickens are molting, that is the time of year when they're freeloaders. I meant to add an egg into here, but I don't have an egg. However, what I did with the last batch, half a banana. I'm just going to mash up half a banana and put that into the mix instead of an egg. It's just an alternative, but normally I would put an egg in. And then we want about 200 grams of chopped peaches. You just want to chop them really little. Of course, you know, you get big chunks of peaches, the whole muffin's going to end up sort of a bit sloppy. There we go. That ended up being 1.5 reasonably big peaches. I think last time I made this, when I had lots of little peaches, I ended up using heaps of them. However, so just going to give that a very gentle mix up.
Why?
No? Blackboy peach muffins. Going to get another bowl and put 2 cups of self-raising flour. A pinch of salt, half a cup of brown sugar, bomb. And 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Get these dry ingredients and mix up together. The wet ingredients in with the dry, and just mix it very, very gently. So you want to just gently keep folding it over until it's all completely combined. Now if it is, at this stage, if it is looking a little bit on the dry side, if there's too much flour, you can add a bit more of the puree. Okay, it's all looking mixed in and pink and lovely. So we're going to grease a 12 tin muffin tray. Dollop it in. Going to preheat an oven to 180 degrees and bake these for about 20 minutes. Look at that. Look at that. Look how yummy that looks. Oh, seriously. They are so nice. Very, very peachy, obviously. I mean, you could add a little bit more sugar in if you want them a lot sweeter. But yeah, you can just get that little aftertaste of cinnamon coming through. But yeah, that's the thing with Blackboy peaches, because they're really, you know, you want to either freeze, bake or jam. I don't find preserving in jars is that good because they are quite smushy. But these are just yummy. These are so, so yummy. I highly recommend doing these. The kids absolutely love them. Pop them in the freezer, you know, they'll last for a good few months in the freezer. Great for the lunch boxes. Do it, people. Hit like. Leave us a comment down below. Press the subscribe button and make some of these because they are so good. Especially while they're warm. Oh yeah. Bye.